tips how we are going to maintain the car during monsoons. Now you can see the rains has started and almost each and every car is muddy, dusty. So first very important thing is frequently get your car a premium wash. Now, what is a premium wash? In premium wash, the car has been lifted, under chassis is completely been thoroughly cleaned. The mud flaps, all the wheel arches where the mud has got accumulated due to monsoon, that will be completely thoroughly cleaned. Then the alloy wheels will be cleaned from inside as well as from outside. Each and every spoke of the alloy wheel will be cleaned thoroughly. Post that, the engine compartment where also the mud gets accumulated in most of the corners of the engine, that will be thoroughly cleaned. After that, a foam wash will be done on the car. After the foam wash, all the plastic components which are there outside, which are called claddings, the grills, those will be completely dressed up to restore the originality of the plastic. So the color will also be restored. Post that, the interiors will be vacuumed thoroughly, all the mats will be cleaned and a wax polish will be applied on the car. So this is all about a premium wash which will take approximately around 3 hours to get this wash done.